Let me see your pencil. Oh, nice. Thanks, I'm going to keep it. No, that's my pencil. Give it to me. No, not giving you back.
Most of class 7 students are a bit annoyed with Dhruv. He always takes things from his friends.
Dhruv, give his pencil back. You always do this. Dhruv, look. Miss Amrita is standing there. Give it back or we will complain to her. I will not.
Both Dhruv and Gaurav got into the fight over the pencil. Miss Amrita, who is a mathematics teacher, witnessed this. She thought of helping the students, but then a thought came to her mind.
Aditi, what happened? My geometry box is not there. Did you look into your bag? Don't worry, let us tell Karan sir. He will help us.
Class, Aditi's geometry box is missing. Please check, and if you find it anywhere, return it. Keep it on my desk early in the morning. Aditi, don't worry. We will find your geometry box. In the meanwhile, share the stuff with your friends.
Mr. Karan is facing a situation where students' stationery get misplaced or taken by other students. It is hard for him as a teacher to solve such a problem without pointing out one student. Do you also see a similar problem in your class?